Hello, hello, beautiful, beautiful morning in Amed. Waves are down, nothing really left, a little bit left, and there is one really interesting activity happening at the moment at the beach. I came and I thought that maybe local fishermen's making another anchor for the rumpon, but actually this one is the anchor for Tsunami detector. There's the people from Jakarta. There will be one in Kusambi, one will be here. So basically what is it for? So when there is a movement or there is like a pressure hits that what is it, like a buoy, right?
Yes.
So when the pressure or the wave is hitting the buoy, so that it means it's getting the signal goes to the center, yes. And the center is informing everyone about the tsunami warning. So we're gonna be safe. The last tsunami was in Lombok 2018. Yeah, so that was the last tsunami here. But which part of the Lombok?
What?
Which part of the Lombok? Outside?
Yes.
From, so that's from the outside. Okay. I remember that, of course. Yeah. There was a lot of reports, yeah. Many videos and that, yeah. I will find some video for you, how it looked like. Looks pretty terrifying, actually. like we have to go and get another net out. Now we found it, actually we found it already a while ago, and it's on our house reef, and not so deep, around 20 meters. We have one pyramid down there. Maybe you saw it in another episode. If not, it doesn't really matter, but we have one pyramid here. It's 20-21 meter depth, and now all this pyramid is covered in a net. It's been there for a pretty long time. It feels like if it will go same as it's going at the moment, I will need another channel where I will upload videos about ghost nets. So many dogs. Hey!
Привет. Смотри. Что-то падает.
So now we have a plan for another day. We'll go down and get the net out. We'll cut it in smaller pieces, so will be something to do. And tomorrow we will take a break. We will go and do Jamaluk wall dive. Need the breaks actually from all the serious dives. Yesterday I was completely drained out. I was super overexhausted because 45 minutes pulling this net, it was like I felt like in a gym. Kick, pull, kick, pull, kick, pull. It was like, yeah, pretty heavy, but really useful experience. Now I know what to do with all these things, how to deal. And maybe for example, some deep nets, maybe it's definitely better to take a boat instead of just surfacing and then swimming to the beach. It can be pretty tricky actually. All right, and that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. Now we are at Bunutan Beach. Bunutan Beach is specifically fisherman beach.